Hi, so in this section we will see how to access the tuple item. How to access the tuple items. Okay, I apologize for my spelling. Okay, so you can access tuple item by referring to the index number. Okay, as I told you in the previous couple of videos also, inside a square brackets. Okay, like this. Okay, so let me create a tuple first. Let's say list 1 or delete it. Let's say Sharad. Okay, and in this I'm using the round brackets, means it is a tuple, right? So apple, same thing, banana and cherry. Let me copy this also so that I could use it to below things also. So okay, so now I want to access, just suppose, the second item. Second item is what? Second item is banana here. Okay, so I want to print the banana. I don't want to print the entire tuple. So what I'll do, I'll write first Sharad and I'll access with indexing. So 1 should be here. If I'll print this, then banana is the output. As you know, the first item of any data type has an index of 0. Okay, so the second item would be 1, obviously. Okay, so what about the negative indexing? You have seen in the list also. Hope you remember this. What about the negative indexing? Negative indexing. So negative indexing means start from the end, and it refers to what? -1. Let me write it. Starts from the end, so called -1 or -2. Okay, -1 what? -1 basically refers to the last item and -2 refers to the second last item. Negative indexing always start with -1, not 0. Okay, negative indexing means what? -0. If I'm taking the same example here, this is, if you'll go from this side, then this is the first indexing, means it is a 0. But if you'll count from this side, the indexing will start from -1, not 0. So this is -1, this is -2. And if you'll count from this side, then this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, it's very pretty simple. If I'll print this, just suppose I want to print the last item of the tuple, means cherry. I want to print cherry now. It is the last item. So I'll use Sharad, and in index I'll give -1. It will print me cherry. Okay, so this is pretty simple. What about the range of indexes? RANGE of indexes. I want to print in between something, or I want to leave one item and then the rest item I want to be printed. So what we will do here, we can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. So when specifying a range, the value what you will get will be a new tuple and with a specified item. This thing you always have to remember. Okay, whether, because you can't overwrite. Okay, you can't overwrite. So you can print only, but you can't overwrite. So let's say the same example is there, and here let me add orange, kiwi or melon, or let's say mango. Let me copy this, copy the whole, and then print Sharad. And in this, just suppose here I want to print the third, fourth and the fifth item. Okay, so the what is the third, fourth and fifth item here? The third item is cherry, then orange and then kiwi. I want to print the third, fourth and the fifth item. Okay, so what I will do, by indexing the third item is 2, right? 0, 1, 2. So here I'll simply write 2 and then I'll go with colon for the range of indexes, and I want to print 5 up to 5. Okay, means I want to print the third, fourth and fifth item. So third is this, fourth and kiwi is fifth. So till kiwi I want to print, mean kiwi should be included. Okay, I don't want to use melons. So what I'll do, by indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is printing. Okay, now 5. And I told you, when you will use the range of indexes, right? When you will use the range of indexes, first item is a position 0 and the item in position 5 is always not included. Okay, so melon is not. If I'll write 5 here, then melon will be not included. If I'll run this, I can get cherry, orange and kiwi. Okay, but if I'll use 4 here, I can get only orange and cherry. Okay, so if you want to print the third, fourth and the fifth item, then you need to give a proper syntax, a proper way. Okay, the search will always start with index 2 in this case and end at the index 5, but index 5 is not included. Okay, so just suppose I want to print the item from the beginning. Okay, from the beginning, but I don't want to include kiwi. Okay, this thing I don't want to include till this. So what I want to print, I want to just print apple, banana, cherry and orange. Up to orange I want to print. I will neglect kiwi, melon and mango. So here what we will do, items from the begin but not included kiwi. Okay, so I'll take the same example and I'll use print command and then Sharad in it, and in the range of indexes I will empty the first item and then I'll use the condition, means ranges until 4. So here if I am emptying this, means 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, till 3 it will get printed, and here I am taking 4, means the last one I told you will not be included like this. So 4, indexing 4 will not include. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. Kiwi is 4, so kiwi will not include. Melon not included, mango not included. So if I'll print this, apple, banana, cherry and orange is printed, right? So hope you understood this thing. It's pretty simple. Okay, and even by leaving out the end value, the range will go on till the end of the list. Just suppose you want to print from cherry. You want to print cherry, orange, kiwi, melon and mango at the end of the list. You don't want apple and banana. So how to do this? You can use the same format what I did here. The same thing. Okay, let me write it. To print from a specific items to the end of the list. This is for your reference so that you could understand this. I'm taking the same example, and for this print Sharad, and we will start from 2. Okay, from cherry means I want to include cherry, orange, kiwi, melon and mango. So here I'll use 2 and then colon and then empty space. Okay, we will not write down anything here, so the range will continue to the end. So if I will print this, in cherry is included, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon and mango is printed, means till the end of the list. So these are basically range of indexes, and you have also the range of negative indexes also. Okay, the range of negative indexes. It is same as positive index, the same thing, the same example here we will take. Okay, and here we will first just suppose from backside I want to print this let's do some complicated. Okay, now we want to print melon, kiwi and orange, means orange, kiwi and melon. We want to print orange, kiwi and melon. So here negative indexing means what? Negative indexing means starting from the end of the tuple. Okay, so in this we will return the item from index 4. Okay, index 4. So what is index 4 minus index 4? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, I told you we will use orange, kiwi and melon. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 1, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. These 3 I want to print, and I will what? Neglect minus 1. Okay, so if I'll do the same thing, so here let me print this, print Sharad by minus 4 is okay. Okay, till minus 4, and now as I told you last item is not included, so minus 1. Okay, so this thing will print orange, kiwi and melon. If I'll run this, see orange, kiwi and melon. If you want to print the mango also, just leave this. If you leave this, then you will get the overall, right? But I don't want to include mango, so here I am writing minus 1 because the index position is minus 1 for mango. Okay, this is also simple, pretty simple, right? So this is the accessing section. There's one more thing, you can check if the item exists or not. By this way you can use, means for finding, for searching certain things also you can check if the item exists or not. Okay, checking the items existing. So let me take the same example. So here you will use using the in keyword. You have seen this in that list section also, right? Using the in keyword. So what we will do is, let's say I want to know whether banana is there or not. Okay, I can see the banana over here, but if just suppose the list is bigger, if you have a big data of 10,000 or 20,000 values, item values, then what you will do? Here you can easily see it, right? But on that case it will be tough, right? So for this we will use the if statement here. Okay, so if like I want to use I want to know whether banana is present in the list or not. So banana, if banana in Sharad, then the condition would be, if banana is present in Sharad, then just print yes, banana is present in the list, or something. Whatever you want to print, you can print it. So if this statement will found the condition true, then it will just print the statement, yes, banana is present. Okay, so I know banana is present, so it happened. Okay, so by this way you can find this. It always return you a boolean value. It will check by a boolean whether it is true or false. If it is true, then the item would be printed. We have not given any false statement, so otherwise it will throw me the error. So again I'll have to print, give the different values like else and all. So I don't want to confuse you. I'm just showing you the options whatever you can use in the accessing of the tuple values. Okay, so hope you understood all this section. There are certain things you need to remember, so just watch the video carefully. If you don't understand again and again, you will know the things better. Okay, so hope you understood. That's all for this section. I'll see you in the next section. Okay, bye bye.